Welcome to my channel Quick Bites of Knowledge. It is related to current affairs year 2022. Now let's begin. Question number 1. Over 8,000 women participated in a program called Mahanati on the occasion of Dussehra festival. Which of the following states hosted this event? A. Assam, B. Arunachal Pradesh, C. Himachal Pradesh, D. Sikkim. Answer is Himachal Pradesh. It is an international Dussehra festival and it was held from 5th to 7th October 2022. Rath Maidan of Kullu in Himachal Pradesh was the main place where this festival was held, and women about 8,000 in number or more in thattu, pattu and their other traditional outfits perform folk dances and cast Mahanati. Question number 2. Name the actor who played Hogwarts goalkeeper Rubius Hagrid in the Hollywood movie Harry Potter. Robbie Coltrane, John Coltrane, Ravi Coltrane, none of the above. Answer is Robbie Coltrane. He died in the age of 72 on 14th October 2022. He was a Scottish actor and also starred in James Bond films. Question 3. On 8th October 2022, Delhi was illuminated with red lights. That is, all the important buildings, Parliament House, Rashtrapati Bhavan, India Gate, all were illuminated with red lights. What was this related to? Celebration of National Day. Delhi was hosting new events. To honor World Dyslexia Day. None of the above. Answer is to honor World Dyslexia Day. October is an International Dyslexia Awareness Month. It is a disorder that affects person's ability to read and write properly. The person suffering from this disorder does not have any effect on his intelligence and physical fitness. It was identified by German physician Oswald Berkhan in 1881. Next question. 31st October is celebrated as a National Unity Day, World Egg Day, World White Cane Day, World Cotton Day. Answer is National Unity Day, often referred to as Rashtriya Ekta Divas or Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's birthday. This day honors Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India. He was our first Deputy PM and Home Minister. The Statue of Unity is the world's tallest statue, about 182 in meter, and is dedicated to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. It faces Sardar Sarovar Dam. Question 5. When do World Cities Day is celebrated? 11th October, 15th October, 21st October, 31st October. Answer is 31st October. World Cities Day is celebrated on 31st October every year. This was started in 2014 to mark the urban development all over the world and how to tackle the problems linked to it. This year, Shanghai, China is hosting a program of observance of this day. The theme of year 2022 is Act Local to Go Global. Question 6. In this city of Gujarat has PM Modi laid the foundation stone of the country's first aircraft manufacturing plant on 29th October? Ahmedabad, Vadodara, Gandhinagar, Jamnagar. Answer is Vadodara. India's first aircraft manufacturing plant will give the facility of C-295 transport aircraft manufacturing, and on this occasion Modi ji said that in nearest future India will manufacture big planes also. Question 7. What is the name of basketball player LarryBIRD related to? Name of the logo Twitter, name of a bird, name of a brand, none of the above. Answer is name of the Twitter. The name of the Twitter logo is larryBIRD. This name was given by Twitter in the honor of NBA player Larry Bird. He is an American former professional basketball player. A book on Twitter, Hatching Twitter, is written by Nick Bilton. Question 8. On 19th October 2022, PM Modi ji laid the foundation of an air base in Disa. Where is this place? Rajasthan, Gujarat, Haryana, Punjab. Answer is Gujarat. It is in Banaskantha district of Gujarat. This airbase is merely 130 kilometers from the India-Pakistan border, so this base is very important from the point of view of the security of the country. It can be used to make our fighter jets take off to respond to the enemy at the border. Question 9. When is Artemis 1 launched according to NASA? 16th November 2022, 14th November 2022, 20th November 2022 or 5th December 2022? Answer is 16th November 2022. According to NASA, it is successfully launched from Kennedy Space Center on 16th November 2022. This rocket launch program was to be done in late August or September 2022, but due to technical issues, bad weather and Ian storm, this program's launching date was postponed. Question 10. What is the name of the powerful rocket launched recently by Elon Musk's SpaceX company? Answer is Falcon Heavy is the name of this powerful active rocket. It consists of 3 Falcon 9 boosters which are attached side by side. This mission's main aim was, in former President Donald Trump's opinion, the first use of rocket by a US military branch to assist the Pentagon's space, security and defense activities. Major Devendra Pal Singh, an inspiration for everybody. He lost one leg during the Kargil war against Pakistan in 1999, but still his efforts and great willpower made him the first Blade Runner of India. Thank you for watching the channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to watch such videos in future also. Thank you once again.